to this video open house of 704 Route 323 here in Amherts, about an hour and 20 from Ottawa and about 20 minutes from Mont-Tremblant. Bienvenue à cette visite porte ouverte du 704 Route 323 ici à Amherts, à environ 1h15 de Gatineau, Ottawa et à une vingtaine de minutes de Mont-Tremblant. Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. Dans cette vidéo, je vais vous faire le tour de l'extérieur de la maison. Je vais vous montrer quelques images aériennes. Je vais vous montrer le bord de l'eau où je suis en ce moment. Et ensuite, je vais aller à l'intérieur de cette belle maison pour vous faire le tour du propriétaire. In this video, I'm going to show you the outside of the property. I'm going to show you some aerial images. I'm also going to give you a tour of the water's edge, the waterfront here. And then I'm going to wrap things up by going into the house and giving you the proprietor's tour of the inside. Suivez-moi sur cette visite vidéo. Follow me on this video tour. The water's edge, the waterfront here is actually, this is actually a river. So the water does gently flow from right to left here in these images. You can see in the aerial footage, the bottom of the water is super clean, super clear. And the edge here has a bit of silt. And some aquatic plant life, but off the end of the dock here, it's a sandy bottom. So for the most part, sandy bottom on this river. You can swim anywhere you please. The owners have a nice dock here, which will be included in the sale. Nice dock, 2 chairs and a small fire pit. Of course, there's some private property signs because people do canoe and kayak down the river. So there's a nice walkway here, stone walkway that leads to the water. In the springtime, the water does come up here in this area, and so you can still get to the water on these rocks at some point. But there are a couple of weeks where the water does flood this area. Right now it's beginning of June and the water has retreated a long time ago. So there is the first view of the house, and there's a shed right next to it. Really nice shed, nice doors and windows. We'll get to the house later because that's of course one of the things you've come to see. You can see the driveway here. Of course the owners park their cars normally closer to the house here, but we've removed them to make this video. You can see the driveway heads up in that direction, and the 323 is up beyond there. It's about 150 meters from the top of the hill. The nice thing about the hill, it blocks pretty much all the noise from the 323, so you can hear. It's a pretty high quality microphone I'm using. If you can hear the cars up there once in a while, there may be 1 or 2, but it might even be hard to hear even with this high quality microphone. So there you have it, view of the water. And the house. Now we'll come, the main door of the house, of course, is on that side. We're gonna walk around it this way and eventually we'll go into the basement door. Very nice real wood siding, beautiful high quality windows, really bright house. Over 100 square foot lot here that it's on, and we'll see the tin roof a little later on. So steel roof being, you know, something that can last 100 years. Poured concrete foundation that we see a little bit on the edge here. Walk around the other side. So the house is oriented southwest, has sun on the front side of the house here all day long. The back side here is facing east, so those windows that you see high up on this eastern side give you lots of morning light. Sun comes up on that side, especially in the winter when there are no leaves. A lot of coniferous deciduous trees on this lot. Nice big mature trees. And then the sun all day in the sky right in front of the house. You can see right now 2 p.m. There it is, up and to my right. So I'll give the camera a moment to adjust here. So I'll try and point out all the very contemporary features of this house, very recent construction, but I'm sure I'm going to miss some. Polished concrete floor, really nice. It looks gray maybe in this light, but you can really see the flecks of stone and of work that was put into polishing this floor. Super nice. Nice big windows here. I'll take a step back from where I just came in. And so the door that I just came in, nice big windows that look out onto the water. And so the ceiling was intentionally left unfinished here. It could be finished very easily with a floating ceiling, but it actually adds to the contemporary look with the steel and the wood and the exposed guts of the thing. So we can see very well how well it was built with the, let's look up here, with the foam liss, not sure how it's called in English, but it's all been urethaned in. You can see here a nice sliding barn door type hinge for one of the guest bedrooms here. So really nice guest bedroom, looks out on the water, nice big closet in here. Okay, and there's a first look at the living room that I first came into, with the exposed stairs going upstairs. But let's go back here. Second guest bedroom. This one doesn't have a big window looking on the water, but the foundation is quite exposed here, so it has a nice big window behind the bed. Again, nice big closet, so really nice place to have guests come and stay. Nice well-sized bedrooms. Bathroom with open concept shower here, so it's just a walk-in. Really nice tile with kind of a wood texture to them, but they're gray. Same thing here, nice old wood siding, and same thing at the back there, nice wood looking tile. So really nice contemporary bathroom. And we'll come down here into this corridor. I would normally want to finish with the guts of the thing, but we're down here. So here there's a sort of a storage space, and then here is the mechanical room. So water purifier, super high-end water purification system, air exchanger, and then the glycol system for the heated floors. So all neatly tucked away here. Two electrical panels. One is for a generator. There is no generator on the property right now, but the property is prepared with two systems, so you can easily run the place off of a generator in an electrical outage. So that does it for the basement. There are a couple of other storage closets down here and whatnot, but I'm not going to go into them. And now we'll come upstairs. So nice pine, open concept stairs, an oak on the wall here, little wall, accent wall, and we come up to the entrance. Now, as I say, I skipped this entrance, didn't come in this way, but this is the main entrance, so that's out to the parking lot. Okay, so that would be the main way to come in, and that's where the spa is. So a little spa area there, a spa and barbecue area. So entrance here, you'll notice wood floors throughout. I believe they are maple. They're a nice brown gray maple color. I've forgotten to turn the lights on. So right in here, powder room, washer dryer. There we go. And so when you come in, you got the washer dryer on your left. You've got the powder room on your left. Entrance closet here. Plenty of room to take your boots off. And then we come into the main room in the house. So here it is. Nice big open space, large island, and really bright space because we're looking out here to where the sun is right now on a June afternoon and out onto the water. But behind me are these really nice windows that face east and bring in the morning light into the house. So fireplace, real wood burning fireplace. At the end there, nice room for a nice big table here, so you can see, give you an idea of the dimensions. You've seen 10 people at this table very easily, 4 people on either side, and there's plenty of room to move around. Kitchen, nice big kitchen, well furnished, lots of cabinet space behind there and in the island because it's such a large island. Lots of cabinet space, nice double sink here. And if that wasn't enough, well, there is a really nice walk-in pantry here with a window in it, plenty of space for storing all of your kitchen goods. So there we go. That's the main hall. Another nice big closet here. Again, can be used for kitchen stuff. Can be used for storing all sorts of things. So nice big closet, and then we'll come down here the hallway to the master bedroom. So master bedroom has mainly has windows higher up. Okay, one of these windows comes down to open up and let a breeze come in. Really nice sized master bedroom with a walk-in closet. I'm not going to go into the closet there, but you can see it from here. Look at the owner's personal items, but you can see there's a nice walk-in closet there. And here we have the ensuite bathroom just off the master bedroom. So a nice big bath area here, okay, with 2 separate sinks on either side of the bath. Really well thought out, really well done. And then toilet area here and the walk-in shower, which has a really nice tile pad just outside of it. Everything in this house is deceivingly large. So the rooms are, from the outside, it looks like a small house, but the rooms in here really do offer a lot of nice livable space. So again, windows high up here. They let light into the room. They can be opened, but they also offer all the privacy that is necessary in a bathroom. So there you have it, the tour of 704 Route 323, just outside of an hour from Ottawa.